Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's me, Nate Powell from Ferocious Beer Company. So I'm just changing up some graphics on the website, and I figured I'd kind of let you guys know how I do this in case you guys are ever wondering how I make my graphics. So basically what I do is, I'm going to kind of show you as I do it. The first thing I do is I take a picture with my iPhone of the products. So for example, let me do this. I'm going to go take a quick picture of Dragon Blood. This is a balm. So give me 1 second. I'm just going to go take a quick picture. And I've got it over here. All right. So, whoops. What I've got here is this picture, Dragon Blood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I do. It's it's a little bit kind of convoluted, but basically what I do is I open up a website called Remove.BG, and it's free. Remove.BG, you can upload an image to remove the background. So let me go to upload, and I know this is kind of awful lighting, but I'll show you after on the website. So here's the image, and I'm going to choose that, and what it's going to do, it's basically going to redraw that without the background. So there we go. Now I'm going to save it to my computer, which I just did. And then I'm going to use my messenger from Facebook because I need to get it to this computer so I can edit it. So I'm going to send it to this computer, and then I'll show you how I grab it and I'll edit it after. Okay, I just sent it in Messenger. Let me plug this back in so it charges. This is kind of like behind the scenes of how at least I do graphics. So let me open up I'm going to share my computer. So you guys are going to see a bunch of crazy things. But give me 1 second. All right. And you should see if that's the image I did before. So now I'm going to go to here, and here is Dragon Blood. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to open up Fireworks because I've already done this. This is Dragon Blood, the bottle, when you first look at it, and then when you roll it, like when you roll your mouse over, I want it to kind of jump out like this. So I've done these two so far, this one and this one. And let me just change this from Texas Peach to Dragon Blood. Initial. And this is Dragon Blood Oil Rollover. Okay. This one I can delete because that's the old one. That's Texas Peach. Okay. Now we're doing a butter closed. So as you can see, I've got Texas Peach on this one. So I'm going to paste Dragon Blood in here, take out the white background. Then I'm going to grab this and bring it down here and resize it to about the same size as the other one. There we go. Now, here's where it kind of gets interesting. So remember this, I've got this is the butter. So let me go, I want to get the background from Dragon Blood. So I'm going to duplicate frame after the current frame twice. And the reason is I want to have one showing the butter when it's closed and one showing the butter when it's open. So this one will be the closed one. Dragon Blood, butter, closed. This is just for my own reference, so I'll be able to see the words. Dragon Blood, butter, open. Okay, so let me go to butter closed, and then I'm going to paste. Actually, let me go back to that other one. There it is. I'm going to copy this. Dragon Blood, butter, here, paste it there. I'm going to put a glow around it. First things first, though. Let me click this one to see the color of that glow. That is 6A1D19. Copy that. Okay. Then I'm going to put a glow on the butter. Glow. It defaults to red in this program. This is an old program called Macromedia Fireworks from like 2002, so it's really old. Okay. Now I'm going to expand it out to like 11, then take that out. So now here is, oh, one last thing I want to do. Actually, two last things. Let's make that pop by going to sharpen and unsharp mask. That's going to just make this a little clearer. And then this part, I don't want this shiny up here. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like draw over this. And as you can see, I'm selecting the top container, which is very shiny. But I don't want it to be shiny in the website because I don't want it to be distracting. So extras, blur, and Gaussian blur. What that does, see how that just kind of like makes it so it's not very shiny up on the top. So you can't really see like me, or you can see the lights and stuff, but it's not super distracting. So file, export. This is going to be Butters, Dragon Blood, closed, which means the container's closed. Now, for the open one, I'm just going to go grab this image, which is another image I took. And it can be anything because there's no product name on this one. So I can use this image for whatever I want to. So Dragon Butter. This is the open one, right? Let's see. No, that's closed. Open. Okay, so that's the open. And again, let me just see what the color of this glow is. 6A1D19. Okay, I can remember that. 6A. Well, maybe I can't. Hold on. 6A1D19. 6A1D19. All right. So delete that. Paste this. 6A1D19. All right, let's do that. 6A1D19. That's just a color code. There we go. Now you can see this is because I just added that glow, the glow goes around the perimeter of it. And it just kind of adds to the background a little bit. So unsharp mask, and then file, export. We're in Butters already, so Dragon Blood, open. Here we go. Now what else do we need to do here? We got to do the balms too. So the balm is actually pretty simple because I can just copy this. And then I'm going to duplicate twice after this frame. Okay, so this will be balm closed. And this is going to be balm open. There we go. So I'm going to grab this one first. This is the open. Let's see. Just again to remind me, 6A1D19. Okay. This is the balm open. 6A1D19. 6A1D19. Okay, now we've got our image of our balm open. Whoops, let me just make this a little sharper. Sharpen, unsharp mask. See how it just makes those the image pop a little bit? File, export, and we're going to move that to balms. Dragon Blood open. Okay. And then this one's going to be Dragon Blood closed. So I got to grab this image. Delete that. Move this here. And then change this again from the yellow to the 6A1D19. And then export. Dragon Blood closed. All right. So now that we have the images themselves, now we're going to go to here, click on Dragon Blood. So if you look at Dragon Blood at the moment, I already did it for the website for the oils. So this is the rollover. See that? How it just kind of pops, like it's almost like it's moving out to you as you're looking at it. So that's like what my goal is, to do that. So that would, like with Fetish, Savage, Havana Getaway, they just pop out like that. Same thing with this. This is the closed position when you don't have the mouse over it. As soon as you put the mouse over it, it shows you the open version of that. And so that's what I'm doing for all the different products. So now I'm going to go to Dragon Blood. I'm going to add those images we just edited. So go to Balm. Let me unarchive it so it'll show up on the website. And then let me set it to active, which will make it be visible on the website. And as you see, here's the old image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ones we just made. So let me go to Beard Balms, Dragon Blood closed, and Control select. We'll select both of them as Dragon Blood closed and Dragon Blood open. I'll click open. They're uploading now, and I'm going to delete this one. And what happens is whatever's in this image location is the first to display. Whatever's in this image location is the second to display. So now we'll go back. Oh, yeah, we'll hit refresh, because now that I've made those active for bombs, this should be there. There it is. And you can see when you run the mouse over it, it's right there. It's image 1, which is the closed version, image 2, which is the open version. And so that's how that works. So I hope that's of any interest to you. Let me take this off to remove. That's how I pretty much make these images. And right now I've got like 15 different scents that I'm doing that for, just to make the images a little bit more enticing, a little bit more interesting. You know, I've had the last images for about almost 2 years now. So I thought it was time to kind of update it a bit. So that's what I've been doing. So I hope you got something out of this. You know, I think it's kind of interesting to see behind the scenes how this all works. So have a great day, guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.